Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads the program can start because D3 decompiler underscore 43.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. So that D3 decompiler underscore 43.dll file is a dynamic link library file that is part of the Microsoft DirectX technology. It provides support for programming and rendering tasks related to DirectX, a collection of API designed to help developers create games and other high-performance multimedia applications on the Microsoft platforms. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser. So kahit anong web browser yung gamitin natin ay pwede po siya. And open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung DirectX and user runtime. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung DirectX and user runtime and press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung should be Microsoft and then DirectX and user runtime web installer. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And next step, so scroll down lang tayo. And then makikita mo na dito yung DirectX user runtime web installer. And dito lang sa select language ay dapat i-select mo lang dito yung English mga kaibigan. And then next step ay itap mo lang dito yung download. And wait natin na ma-complete yung downloading. Alright, so makita mo dito na complete na yung downloading and open lang natin yan. So click mo lang yan. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And installing Microsoft DirectX. And then dito naman sa kanyang welcome to setup for DirectX. So i-accept mo lang yung agreement. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang basahin dito or nandito naman lahat ng informations mga kaibigan. Pwede mo itong basahin. And then once na-click mo na dito yung I accept the agreement and then i-tap mo lang dito yung next. And then dito naman ay kailangan na nating uncheck itong install the Bing bar. So uncheck lang natin yan. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung next. And wait natin na makomplete yung installing components and initializing. Okay, so ready for downloading components. And wait natin na makomplete yung downloading. And then ready for installing components. So wait natin ulit itong initializing. Ayan, so downloading components and installing components are totally complete. So the components installed are now ready for you. So installations complete. And then kailangan lang natin itong itap tong finish. And then next step ay dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix program can't start because D3 compiler underscore 43.dll is missing from your computer. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.